In this fast guide we will see how to move a subject in a photo using the Content-Aware Move tool in Photoshop 2020. First thing, open your image, then with the tool selected draw a selection around the object you want to move. Be careful to leave some of the background around the shape for better results. Once the selection is done, click and hold LMB on it to drag it where you want to place it. Release LMB, confirm, and watch the magic happen. Obviously there could happen to be some flaws in the background, but this is easily correctable using the smudge tool, and you're done. Thank you for watching.